You stop being a defendant here when you add their asses to the counterclaim for, like we teach you how to do in the counterclaim strategy. We are bringing offense to the table, so we trump without answering their lies. Without having to answer to their lies. People are rushing around, whatever. Chunk that old school shit out the back door, because we don't do some new stuff over here. The judge is not going to be fair, so why take the punches in their conventional system, which they structure to punch you in the face while you're trying to defend your stuff? Oh, excuse me. That's not why they structured it. They structured it to slow your ass down until they get the people in front of you lined up and out the way. Okay, they're taking so many people's stuff, they don't have time. They streamlined the system? No. What do you file first, coach? Okay, so our goal here is service. And my goal is service. Our goal, everybody, because that's what we're doing here. We're servicing as a catalyst for thought, emotion, and action. That's what we're doing. Your goal for using the lawsuit package and what your goal is for using the documents, they must be parallel to one another. Okay. All right. Okay. So what's the goal? Okay, we got a commercial break on the goal from winningcourtnow.com. Okay, break's over. Look. If you guys been watching my video, y'all should know what the goal is. The goal is to stop the court process. Bam. That's it. We ain't got to win nothing. They ain't got to judge nothing. They ain't got to decide nothing. They just got to stop that shit and get the hell out of your way. Out of your face. Leave you alone like you did Henry. Respond to the thing down there that they couldn't respond to none of the stuff. They just provided affidavit of proof of service, which they didn't serve him because the man was sick in the hospital. But that don't matter, because that's all they can. Nicole, she just got done in New York. And they's already to pounce on her. Been giving her a hard time for 9 years. They've been giving Nikki a hard time for 9 years. And then they had to adjourn that shit until the 17th of October, a couple of months down the road. Yeah, well, the attorney didn't show up. We about to just move on for summary judgment, because there ain't no adjourning shit. He might not show up again. Who got time for that? And I have no idea how much time it took not to run down there for Nikki to run down there and be ready for court. How much time it took for her running back and forth while the clerk was the one throwing her under the bus. The real-time feedback from the fighters in this group. Yeah, we adding a clerk to the program.